Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually play Valorant in the competitive mode or the ranked mode. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your account in Valorant and then launch the game. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently at level 41. Well, at this level, I will be able to play whatever I want, and if you went to my account, you will notice that I am currently at Bronze 2, which means I have ranked open. Well, basically, guys, if you created your account for the first time and you were like level 1, you will not have this level here of your rank, and you will not be able even to play ranked. So, how you can actually play ranked in Valorant? It is a pretty simple thing. First of all, you will have to go ahead and click on play and start spamming the N-rated mode or the spike rush mode. If you want to achieve it even faster, like the competitive, just run the Swift Play or Spike Rush because they give the same XP as unrated and they have much less rounds in the game. So these ones just have you only have to win like 5 rounds, while this one you have to win like 13 round. Now, in case you played that, which level do you have to achieve in order to play competitive? Well, in order to play competitive, you will have to achieve level 20. Don't worry guys, it is very simple to achieve that level and pretty easy because they already give you a bunch of utilities to have this level faster, to achieve this level faster. One of them is playing with friends. When you play with friends, they will give you like a 10% bonus on each friend you have. So 10% bonus XP on each person you have in the party. So here for example 10%, 20%, 30% and here 40%. And in the total you'll have like 50% because you exist in the game as well. Now if you did all of that and you still want to earn more XP, you can go here and check if you have any missions. They give you a bunch of missions like the festival mission, the daily missions, and the weekly missions. Basically, try to finish the weekly missions because they give you tons amount of XP. They give you about 16k to about 20k XP per mission. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.